In the meantime, a meeting between the police and the residents of Granville, St. James got heated Thursday evening. Tempers flared and emotions boiled over as the son of Latoya Bulgin, who was fatally shot by the police, demanded answers from the Divisional Commander Eron Samuels. But the police were tight-lipped on the case and urged the residents to help in restoring order in the community.
The charge from head of the St. James Police Division, SSP Eron Samuels, to residents at a meeting in Granville, St. James, Thursday evening.
When the roads stop blocked, I can be in a position to allow for persons to have their events. It can allow us to free up our resources to work closer with you.
The community has been tense since the viral police killing of Latoya Bulgin, also known as Buju, on May 17. However, SSP Samuels' request did not go down well with the victim's son, Jashawn Myers.
We can't get back my mother want justice then. So no, I don't want you to come here so come tell me go on road and you have to tell me say if people feel a way about my mother then and I light up the road. Me can't have one candle light for my mother and mourn for my mother and my family. And that tell me.
Sir Myers, if the roads are being blocked, it won't happen. And I'm saying, if the roads, hold on, and I'm going to be honest. And you want the honest answer? Good. The honest answer is if the roads are being blocked, no, it cannot happen. It's as simple as that. I'm not going to. It's as simple as the roads are being blocked. It cannot happen. I cannot allow you to block the roads and then an event is held.
The question also came moments after SSP Samuels stressed that he cannot speak on the case because there is an active investigation. He, however, offered sympathies to the family.
Because of the work of the police over the years, you are able to go about. Hold on, just allow you to talk. You are able to go about and live your life without fear. You are able to go to parties without fear. You are able to work and come home without fear. I am really sorry for your loss.
No come talk to you like say, we are a problem. Uno a problem. Uno kill 5 somebody from a year start. 5 somebody, I not hear a gunshot fire in that place. I go work anytime and come back and I feel no way. I go party and come back anytime and I feel no way. You know, I'm afraid to come down, that's all I'm going to say now.
Again, the police implored the residents that the aim is to improve their relationship with the community. However, law and order must be maintained.
It cannot be that, hey, what the police going to do to make sure that this don't happen again? What are we going to do to make sure that this don't happen again? Are we going to talk to the young men in the community and say, hey, let us put on this gun thing? Yeah, man, but we reach far in this, you know.